Changing your billing cycle on Zoom can help you manage your subscription more effectively. Follow these steps to adjust your billing cycle. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Zoom website and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Billing Settings. Once logged in, click on Account Management in the left sidebar, then select Billing from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Access Billing Cycle Options. In the Billing section, look for the option labeled Billing Cycle. Click on it to view your current billing cycle details and available options. Step 4. Select your preferred cycle. Choose your desired billing cycle from the options provided, such as monthly or annually. Review any changes in pricing that may apply. Step 5. Confirm changes. After selecting your preferred billing cycle, click the Save or Update button to confirm your changes. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your billing cycle has been updated. By following these steps, you can easily change your billing cycle on Zoom. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Zoom support for assistance.